Hello guys, today we learn love effect. I mean new text effect. First of all, create a new document 1366 by 768. After that, create your text. I will use pencil tool. So first create L. Okay. After that, select a smooth tool. After that, smooth outline. Make sure your objects are selected. Nice. Okay, nice. After that, we will create that. So go to rectangle tool and select elliptic tool and create a circle. Hold down your shift and alt key and drag a circle. Stroke none, fill color gradient. Okay. First color is pink and second color is blue. Okay, nice. After that, duplicate the shape. Hold down your alt key and duplicate this. And press your Ctrl and Command D 2 times. After that, select all object and go to object, blend and blend option. Create 100 step and okay. After that, go to object, blend and make. Okay. After that, duplicate this shape 4 times. Hold down your alt key and drag down and press Ctrl D 2 times. Select both of them, go to effect and transform and program. All make sure your all value are 0 and click preview. Size is and size 30%, detail 30 inches and point smooth. Click OK. Little bit small. Okay. After that, select first shape and select L. Go to object, blend and replace shape. Okay. Then make all step like this. After that, make a background. Click on rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. And fill color black. And arrange a center black. Okay guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion, do in comment.